You know what's funny? Most people think fluent English sounds fast.
Yeah, but when you actually listen to real conversations, it's not fast at all.
It's relaxed. People pause, they think, they restart sentences.
Exactly. They don't rush to sound smart.
I noticed that too. The more comfortable someone is, the slower they sound.
And the more natural. They're not translating in their head.
That's the real difference. Not vocabulary, not grammar.
It's comfort. Feeling okay with silence.
Yeah, like right now. This pause.
That pause feels normal, not awkward.
But for English learners, silence feels scary.
Because they think silence means failure.
When actually, silence is thinking.
Native speakers do it all the time.
They say things like, yeah,
And nobody cares.
That's the part people don't practice.
They practice answers, but not thinking out loud.
And real English is mostly thinking out loud.
Half-finished thoughts, simple words.
Not perfect sentences.
Just honest ones.
So if you're listening right now, slow down.
Let your English breathe a little.
You don't need to sound fluent.
You just need to sound real.
That's when people listen.
And that's when English starts to flow.
Not forced, not memorized.
Just natural.
That's today's thought.
Nothing heavy, just something to notice.
Try it today. Speak slower than you think you should.
And don't rush the silence.
Something else I've noticed. People think they need the right words before they speak.
Yeah, like there's a perfect sentence waiting somewhere.
But real conversations don't work like that.
Not at all. You start talking and the sentence figures itself out.
Sometimes halfway through.
Sometimes at the end.
And sometimes it doesn't, and that's still fine.
Because the other person is human too.
They're not grading you.
They're just listening.
That fear of being judged, it mostly comes from our own head.
Yeah, most people are busy thinking about what they'll say next.
Exactly. They're not counting your mistakes.
They're following the idea.
And if the idea is clear, the English is good enough.
That's such an important point.
Clarity beats perfection every time.
Every single time.
That's why simple words work so well.
They move faster from your brain to your mouth.
Less thinking, less pressure.
More flow.
And once you feel that flow, you don't want to stop.
That's when English starts to feel natural.
Not like a subject.
But like a tool.
Something you use, not something you study.
So next time you speak,
don't wait for perfect.
Start with what you have.
Let the sentence be messy.
Messy is normal.
Normal is fluent.
And fluent is comfortable.
That's it for today.
Just a quiet reminder.
You're allowed to speak before you're ready.
Because that's how you get ready.
There's one more thing people don't talk about much.
The fact that English sounds different when you're tired.
Yeah, at the end of the day, words come out slower.
And that's okay.
But learners think, if I sound tired, I sound bad.
When actually you sound human.
Real conversations happen when people are tired.
After work, late at night.
Not in perfect classroom conditions.
Exactly.
That's why practicing only when you feel ready doesn't work.
Because life doesn't wait for ready.
Some days your English will feel smooth.
Other days it won't.
That doesn't mean you're going backward.
It just means you're using it.
I like to think of it like this.
Go on.
Fluency isn't a straight line.
It's more like waves.
Some days high.
Some days low.
But the ocean is still there.
That's a good way to see it.
So on low days,
lower your expectations.
Not your effort.
Speak simpler.
Slower.
And that's still progress.
If you can say one honest sentence,
that's enough.
Because real English lives in ordinary moments.
Not in perfect ones.
That's today's reminder.
Nothing big, just something real.
Thanks for staying with us.
We'll keep these conversations going.
One real moment at a time.